Oscilloscopes come in so many shapes, sizes, configurations, and capabilities, figuring out one that's perfect for you can be a bit confusing. Tektronix, the oscilloscope leader, is here to help. Let's start with what all oscilloscopes have in common. All oscilloscopes graph signals over time. The key to any good oscilloscope system is its ability to accurately reconstruct a waveform. In this way, an oscilloscope is like a camera. It captures signal images that we can then observe and interpret. They can all perform basic signal measurements, amplitude, time and frequency, and phase between signals. From general-purpose bench scopes to high-performance instruments, they vary widely in terms of the speed of signals they can capture. This depends on bandwidth and sample rate, and capabilities, such as number of channels, types of signals, and built-in measurements. You'll probably see different models referred to by their acronyms, such as DSO, DPO, MSO, or MDO. These stand for Digital Storage Oscilloscope, Digital Phosphor Oscilloscope, Mixed Signal Oscilloscope, and Mixed Domain Oscilloscope. Most oscilloscopes in use today are DSOs, or Digital Storage Oscilloscopes, or DPOs, Digital Phosphor Oscilloscopes. Mixed Signal Oscilloscopes, or MSOs, are a type of DSO designed to display and compare both analog signals and digital signals, and support input channels for both types. Mixed Domain Oscilloscopes, or MDOs, from Tektronix are available with real built-in spectrum analyzers, something unique to us. Whatever scope you choose, it should not only match how and where you work, but also accurately capture your signals, have features that expand your capabilities and save you time, and give you complete confidence in your measurements. To learn more and to dive deeper into the factors you need to consider when choosing between the various types of oscilloscopes available, visit the Oscilloscope Leader at www.tek.com.